just wanting to fly into the wind. I forgot my sunglasses. We still got winds. We got winds. There's no flaps. It's just big difference between this and the Hawker. Man, I was glad to get the Hawker. Oh, the Hawker flew great. I should have flew it more, but man, 20-mile-an-hour gusts. I was like, ah. I'm going to add just a tick more weight, because that was a 2600, and the 2600 just barely fit in the battery compartment. So I'm going to fly it on 22s and add a little more weight. Because when I CG'd it with the 2600 in it, it was perfect. It's barely, the CG marks that I'm using, it just barely dropped down. Alright, we got flaps. Yeah, the wind's coming. It's blowing hard right here, man. Let's see, this grass is probably so rough it probably won't blow backwards. Let's see if it'll blow backwards. Yeah, it's wanting to. It just took right, I didn't roll. It just took right off into the wind. Tuco! Tuco! God. Just gonna fly this flight. I'm gonna go get some sailing in. I'm gonna go do some wife stuff. Get another landing.
Landing flag, timer start. Time remaining 5 minutes.
It's wanting to fly in the wind. Using a lot of down elevator. There we go. There you go. I got plenty of battery. I gotta fly some more. This is too much fun.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Timer stop. Landing flaps. Timer start.
There we go. There you go. Hobby King.
Throttle cut off.
Hobby King, Tundra. Having fun at Liberty Landing.